Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in prerequisites that matter. Pick 1 or 2 AI tools that fit the task and secure your API keys. This prevents distractions. Once done, create a project folder and a short README with example inputs and desired outputs so you can iterate fast. Make sure to define a measurable success metric, time saved, accuracy percentage, or quality threshold, because you'll use it to compare approaches and avoid endless tweaking. You now execute focused experiments. Run 3 quick prototypes that vary prompts, temperature, or tool selection to see early differences. While you run them, log inputs, outputs, cost, and latency so you can compare objectively later. Once you identify a promising path, create reusable templates and chain steps for multi-stage tasks. This speeds repetition and reduces human error. Make sure to automate parameter sweeps where possible, so you wrap up by validating the chosen workflow on held-out examples and measuring it against your success metric. This confirms real-world performance. Then optimize for cost and latency by pruning unnecessary steps, batching requests, or switching to smaller models when acceptable. If something breaks, isolate the failing stage, add input guardrails or sanity checks, and revert to the last known good configuration. This targeted rollback prevents wasted time and keeps the system stable while you diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.